I've been chewing on it though and want to make sure I get the thought on the video here. When you think about redshifting, maybe you could talk about it's a pocket wave function. On the other side of it, there's another bluer, younger galaxy, but light would separate through spectrums, decay, get spaghettified, whatever you want to call it, to the redshift on what it was. But when you look at the black body problem and you're into gamma as a red source because it's ultraviolet colors, which is more purple, according to black lights, against what it is. But really, what's a black light to produce it? It's ionized particles in a tube, fluorescent tube, for the most part. There's other filters and lenses you could do with it, but there you go. Moles are what they are, but just to try to argue what it would need to be to settle inflation issue, space inflation, we already know that there's going to be dark energy in terms of what dark matter, satellite galaxies, what would be the theoretical mass, and therefore if a gram of water would be like Hiroshima as far as an energy release issue, Schwarzschild's radius, 13 billion years in time dilation navigator. So again, on both, there was that one again, the red blue, younger older homogenization gravity wave thing. But you'd have to argue that again, the black hole that's 13.6 billion years away is a condensed version of the galaxy. It ate everything already. It's a supermassive black hole that's stable. And again, it's been a while since I looked at the pictures of it to determine any of the accretion disk physics. Would it have, there's an early galaxy of exploding that would be a halo galaxy, not a spiral galaxy, or one of those chaotic galaxies, maybe just collided. There's a lot of that dark energy, dark matter about it that says, well, maybe it's not the best Kelk, or it's ripping away, but I'm not exactly sure what evidence beyond that, because they can't just all be ripping away if there's a bullet galaxy, right? I mean, they've obviously collided, Andromeda. So the redshifting idea, it's like to say it was a red dwarf, still experiences all colors of the rainbow, or all colors of the black body spectrum, but it's much more tilted to the redshift, especially if it's producing long wave radio signals in any standpoint. Well, then there's a percentage of green light coming out of that red dwarf star. Super stable though, doesn't have magnetic storms, doesn't do stuff like that. So just some wild thoughts, I guess.